Seeing astrologer in a dream. Seeing an astrologer in a dream means associating oneself with spiritual masters and witnessing some of their miraculous signs. An astrologer in a dream also may mean knowledge of people's secrets, curiosity, inquisitiveness, meddling in people's affairs, divulging people's secrets, soothsaying, fortune-telling, backbiting, predicting the future, hearsay, gossip, distress, or trouble. If the one who is seeing the dream suffers from any of the above ills, seeing an astrologer in a dream also means dispelling such misfortunes. Seeing an astrologer in a dream also signifies marriage, divorce, the death of a sick person, travels, delivering a baby, hearing good or bad news. Seeing an astrologer in a dream also may denote knowledge, following the true path and acting upon it, for a God-fearing astrologer mostly arbitrates by the prophetic rules.